Hello everyone, welcome to this video on how to configure the pyramid chart widget in a dashboard using Bold BI. Let's see the overview of the pyramid chart. The pyramid chart is a triangle diagram, which allows you to make proportional comparisons between values showcased in a progressively increasing manner. It shows data in a hierarchical structure. Using this chart, you can differentiate between the most important and least important topics. Then, utilize it to organize items by size or quantity. This chart is typically used to show population structures. Let's start configuring the pyramid chart. This HR resignation details dashboard helps HR admins track employee resignation details, including attrition rate, tenure rate, and more. Now, I am going to recreate this employee designation history pyramid chart for your real-time experience. To configure the chart, I have already added the required data sources. Let's take a quick look at the data in the Data Source Designer and expressions used in the Expression Designer. Drag and drop the pyramid chart from the toolbox into the Design panel. Resize the widget as per the requirement. Under the Properties tab, I provide the widget name and its description. Under the Assign Data tab, you'll see the Data tab open with the available columns from the connected data source. The pyramid chart needs a minimum of one value element and one column element to showcase data. Bind the number of days in a team under the Measure Value section and provide aggregation function as the max. Under the Properties tab, I change the data label to value so that the widget data will be shown in value. You can choose the data label based on your widget's requirements. Next, I bind the designation column in the Dimensions section to get the total number of days an employee worked in a particular role. Next, I apply descending order. Here, you can also add multiple columns to enable drill down. As you can see, the widget data has rendered properly. The pyramid chart has been successfully configured. Now, let me apply properties from the Properties tab. Under Basic Settings, by default, Show Tooltip option will be enabled. It can be disabled if needed. You can also switch chart types here. Then, customize the legend names if needed. Apply advanced color formatting to show a different color for each data category. These are the default properties applied when configuring a widget. Now, the widget is successfully recreated. Let's publish the dashboard to save the changes. Here, this employee designation history widget visualizes proportional comparisons between values showcased in a progressively increasing manner. Let's see the best practices for showcasing pyramid charts. The best practices for showcasing pyramid charts are organizing subcategories based on hierarchy. Use different colors to easily distinguish each segment. Usage of legends must be proper for easy readability. Keep subcategories to a minimum. Adding many segments and colors can make your pyramid hard to read. Likewise, you can use pyramid charts to showcase data in a hierarchical structure where you can easily differentiate between the most important and least important topics. Please leave a comment with any questions you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.